Okay, so in the first video I showed you how to make a doorstop. Now I'm going to show you how to make a tree ornament for whatever purposes you may desire. I like starting with this roof shape. And then if I can change my camera view to look at it from the side, I'm going to put it right at a 90 degree. You guys know I have issues with it. There we go. All right, so there's my roof. I'm going to hit the home button to recenter my view. And actually, you know what? It's poking through. Yeah, look at that. It's poking through the bottom of my build tray. You see that there? So I need to hold control and tap the up arrow. And now it's flat on the build tray. Now the next thing I need to do is change the height from 20, because 20 is too high, to like a 4. Because if this is an ornament, it does not have to be very thick. Now it's 4 by 10 by 20. So watch what I do. I'm going to hold this. I'm going to hit Control D. Now I have 2. And instead of 4 by 10 by 20, I'm going to make it 4 by 15 by 25. And then I'm going to Control D that. And look at that. It's making them a little bit bigger each time. Pretty cool stuff, right? So now I have it. My little tree ornament. I'm going to highlight everything, if I can. And I'm going to go over here, not to flip, but to align. And I put them all in line with one another. Now, I want to move that guy up 3. This guy we're going to move up quite a bit. Same thing here. And the same thing here. I have it all highlighted. You know, this bottom one's just, I think, a little too much bigger than the rest of the tree. So I'm going to make it a little bit wider and a little bit shorter. And that's kind of a tree. Now, I will highlight the whole thing again and group it. Now that really looks like a tree. I'll take my cylinder hole, and we're going to shrink that from 20 by 20 to 4 by 4. And again, we're going to highlight the whole thing, align right on the center. So now that hole is right in the center. And I'm going to push my hole through. Now why would I push my hole through? Because look at the bottom. It's coming through the bottom of the build tray. But when I highlight them both and group again, it disappeared. And now I have a hole through the top of the ornament. And I guess if I'm being good, I should have a little stump on this, right? So 20, that's probably all right. But let's drop this down to like a 6 millimeters, see what that looks like. And our height, if the tree height's 4, the stump can also be 4. Highlight everything, align, align. And now depending on how fancy I want to get, I can even take text and write Benora. Let's just write Benora. Make that a little bit smaller. Right? And then let's click on the text one more time. Control C, Control V. I don't want it to say Benora, Benora. I want it to say Benora Family. And again, adjust a line right there down the center. Ooh, and you know what? Let's get rid of basic shapes and go to text and watch what we do here. 20. One. Got to move these all up a little bit. A lot of it. And then our last number, if you've guessed correctly. And now I just have to move Benora family down a bit to accommodate my 6 there. And again, watch this. Highlight it all. A line right down the center. And that's an ornament, folks. All right. Let me know if you have any questions.